In this video, I will be demonstrating the single leg toe touch, a variation of the deadlift. I begin with an upright posture with both feet flat on the floor. I retract and depress my shoulder blades as well as tighten my abdominal muscles. While the foot of the working stationary leg remains flat on the floor, I lift the opposite counterbalanced leg by bending at the knee. With the foot of the stationary leg, I maintain 3 points of contact, being the ball of the foot, the outside of the foot, and the heel. While maintaining a neutral spine, I perform the eccentric portion of the exercise by hinging at the hips, forcing my hips backward. I extend the counterbalanced leg as I reach down toward the foot of the stationary leg. As I reach the end position, I should feel a stretch in the target muscles, which are the glutes and the hamstrings. As you see here, although this exercise is called the single leg toe touch, I'm not actually touching my toe. I'm reaching down as far as I am able to while still maintaining my form. While performing this movement, refrain from forcing yourself to reach for the toe if it compromises your form. I perform the concentric portion of the exercise by ascending from the end position, fully extending my hips and returning to the starting point. The balancing aspect of this movement can be very difficult. It may be prudent to use assistance by holding onto a stationary object when first attempting this exercise.